Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue the same chapter, chapter 10, exercise 10.4, question number 5. Three girls, Reshma, Salma, Mantip, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mantip, and Mantip to Reshma. If the distance between both means Reshma to Salma and Mantip is same, that means what is the measurement? 6 meter each. What is the distance between Reshma and Mantip? That means the position of the girls is denoted by the letters R, S, M. Only we are taking. So according to this, what is given in the question? R, S, M are the position of the girls Reshma, Salma and Mantip. And also given in the question, R and S equal to S and M equal to 6 meter, and also radius we are drawn by the diagram. It is OR equal to OS, only two we have joined the radius, equal to 5 meter radius, right? With this we have to calculate the distance between R and M only. Now you know that S is a point equidistant from R and M. So that means 6 meter from R and also 6 meter from S. The diagram will be like this. Diagram is not given in the question. We have to draw the diagram. So according to the question, we have marked the positions and it is given that R to S is 6 meter and same as S to M. So after this we are joining R and M. This distance only we have to calculate. For this we have to use one previous concept, that is the perpendicular bisector property. That is, S is a point which is equidistant from n points of R and M. That means S lies on the perpendicular bisector of RM, the line segment RM. That concept to be used here. So here to find the length of RM. So construction is join OS OR. We have to write Now let us do the proof. I explained already that S is equidistant from R and M. That means, therefore, S lies on the perpendicular bisector of RM. This perpendicular bisector property you should remember while teaching also exercise. I think lines and angles chapter we have explained this concept already, and 1 or 2 sums I already explained this point. So you can go through that one, and this concept we are repeating here. That means S lies on the perpendicular bisector of R M only. So let us take that this point as a 90 degree and mark as it is N. Angle N equal to 90 degree, and also therefore angle N equal to 90 degree, and also RN equal to NM. Okay. Now we are joined which diagram? OR joined, OS joined. Let us take ON equal to X. Okay. Now you can tell me that what is the measurement of OS? OS is the radius of the circle. It is equal to 5 meter, right? Therefore, what is SN? SN equal to 5 minus X. ON equal to X, OS equal to 5 meter. So here X I have taken means the remaining distance is equal to 5 minus X. Right? Next, in this triangle, which is that triangle ORN, angle N equal to 90 degree. Pythagoras Theorem. What we can write? Which is the hypotenuse OR. OR square equal to ON square plus RN square. That means 5 square equal to x square plus y square. We got first equation. Similarly, we are going for the second triangle, this SRN. In triangle SRN, again the same property, angle n equal to 90 degree. This time, which is the hypotenuse, RS is the hypotenuse. So what we can write there, SR square equal to RN square plus Sn square. So 6 square equal to Rn means y square, Sn means 5 minus x whole square. Expand this, y square plus 5 square plus x square, the middle term it is 10x with the minus sign. Now y square plus x square I am grouping together. 5 square is 25 minus 10x, 6 square equal to 36. Using 1, what is x square plus y square? 25 only. So here I am replacing, it is 5 square means 25 plus 25 minus 10x. So minus 10x I am bringing to this side, 10x. So 50 minus 36, it is equal to 14. So x equal to 1.4. Equation number 2. X equal to 1.4 means we got this only. Now what we can calculate, y we can calculate. Therefore, we are using 2 in 1. 5 square equal to, that means 25 we can write, otherwise 1.4 whole square plus y square. 25 equal to 1.96 equal to, plus y square. Therefore, y square equal to 25 minus 1.96, which is equal to 23.04. Therefore, y equal to, so y square equal to this. So y equal to 4.8. Now you got y equal to 4.8. What is NM? NM is also equal to 4.8. Therefore, Rn equal to Nm equal to 4.8. Now we want the distance Rm only. So it is equal to 2 into 4.8, which is equal to 9.6 meter. Three girls are playing together. Then we have taken the distance between, positions are R, S, M only. The distance between R and S is 6. Similarly, S and M is also 6. They asked that in the question, what is the distance between R and M? Now we have to draw the diagram like this, and radius is also given, that is 5. Now here this point S is equidistant from R and M. By using the perpendicular bisector concept, we can write that S lies on the perpendicular bisector of RM. That means angle N is 90 degree and also Rn equal to Nm. So this side only we are calculating the measurement. Once we got Rn equal to Y value, then we can write what is Nm also and total Rm. So we are using this triangle first. This is 90 degree only and Pythagoras theorem. So we have taken total distance is radius here 5, and we assumed that ON equal to x, so the remaining distance is 5 minus x. So by using the Pythagoras theorem here, 5 square is the hypotenuse equal to x square plus y square. Similarly here 6 square equal to y square plus 5 minus x whole square. I am not explaining, you can get the steps here, and using 1 I should write here. Okay, after that x we can get solved 1.4 only. After 1.4 we are substituting, then we can calculate y equal to 4.8, and we already written what is Rm, so double of Rn only, so it is equal to 9.6 meter. A circular park of radius 20 meters situated in a colony, three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance. They are at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in their hands to talk to each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. Here also the diagram is not given. If you draw the diagram, it will be like this only. So here the three boys are represented by A, S, D only, and they are at equal distance, they are told. So here we are taking as a length of AS equal to A, then that means this is also A, and AD is also equal to A only. Okay, so all the three sides are equal to same length. That means it's an equilateral triangle. Now we have to find what is the length of A. Since equilateral triangle is there, you already know that many concepts here we have to use for finding this one. So first I'll complete what is given. A, S, D are the positions of Ankur, Syed and David in the park. Those are positions we have taken. Now it is already given that the distance between them are same. So AS equal to SD equal to AD equal to A. To find, also radius is given. Radius equal to 20 meter. To find A only. Now all the three sides are A. All the three sides are A. Then it's an equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal to A, therefore it is an equilateral triangle only. So equilateral triangle property also we have to. So construction here, first we are taking that AST perpendicular to AD. Now it is a perpendicular, that is a median also there for a equilateral triangle. Altitude also same, and median is also same for an equilateral triangle. So my point is that in proof what we can write means AD is a altitude, sorry ST is an altitude of an equilateral triangle. Triangle SAD. So by formula itself we know that ST equal to root 3 by 2A. This formula we have already studied for altitude of a triangle. So we can write it like that only. Now after we can write that ST is a median also, since it is an equilateral triangle. So what is the length of AT? AT equal to half of AD. That means A by 2. So we got first equation is altitude value, second equation as a median property. Now if we consider this is a altitude or a median, we must learn some properties of a median. So you can see here I have drawn three medians here. The ST is one of the median. From A I can draw another median, and D another median. So three medians will concurrent at one point, that is called a centroid. So centroid we are represented by O, that is all the median will concurrent at the one point center only. This is same for in the case of a equilateral triangle. If it is altitude concurrency if you take, median concurrency if you take, everything will we can meet at one point, that is called the center of the circle. So if it is a center, we can write that OA, we can say that OA is a radius, OS is a radius. So the length of OA equal to 20 meter. Similarly, we can write that OS is also 20 meter. Okay, this here I want to say one more point regarding your centroid also. Centroid, I just want to tell about the properties of a centroid. It is a point where three medians of the triangle intersect. It is always located in the interior of the triangle. It is located 2/3 of the distance along the median from the vertex. That means above this part. See, above the part is 2 2:1. This O divides 2:1. So above this will be more distance will be there. More ratio means more distance will be there. This I want to tell you that when we learned about a circumcenter, I told that we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors, that we are getting circumcenter. Now we are getting medians. Medians means what is that one? It is also equally divided. So altitude also we can take, median also we can take, but altitude formula I am using here, then it will be easy for you. So why I have to show this means for equilateral triangle the median also lies inside the triangle only, so interior part of the triangle. This property also we can use for proving this question. So I used one property, that is altitude, and the second property, that is a median. So here AT equal to A by 2. So total length is A only. So now this distance is A by 2. So that is why I have shown the centroid and all. Now how to prove this one means, in triangle OTA we are taking. Triangle OTA, which angle is 90 degree? Angle T equal to 90 degree, because altitude concept we are used here. So by Pythagoras theorem, what I can write, OA square equal to AT square plus OT square. OA square is 20 square because radius only. Now AT square, it's a median property, we have already told, A by 2 whole square. Now OT means, can I write OT? OT square means ST minus OS from the figure. ST is an altitude property I am using. So A by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2A minus OS is again 20 because it's a radius. Now expand this. Here left side it is 400, A square by 4. Now it is A minus B whole square form. So 3A square by 4 minus 2 into root 3A by 2 into 20. Now what is the last term? 20 square. So here 400 equal to 4A square by 4 minus 2 will get cancelled, 20 root 3A plus 400, right? 400 we can cancel. Now I am bringing to this side, it is 20 root 3A equal to 4A square by 4. So 4 will get cancelled. 20 root 3A equal to A square. Again 1A will get cancelled. So A equal to 20 root 3. So what is the distance between them? The distance between, or the equilateral triangle only, the distance between, therefore AS equal to SD equal to AD equal to 20 root 3. So the distance between the boys equal to 20 root 3 meter. Okay, this question we have to use which are the concept, altitude and median. So the diagram will be like this. On the boundary 3 are sitting and between them equal distance. Let us take that A only. So it's an equilateral triangle. So construction is altitude. Altitude and median are same for an equilateral triangle. So if it is a median, this distance will be half of the length. So A by 2. And ST is an altitude. So it is equal to root 3 by 2A. And from this it is median's intersecting point is centroid, that is O only. Centroid here, from this here to S, it is a radius only, so the distance will be 20 meter. So after that what we have to take, we have to find the length of A. For that we are considering the triangle OAT. So the radius is 20 and this is A by 2. Only what is left for us? OT. For calculating OT we have used the median property. All the three medians intersect at the point in centroid, that is O only. So it is a center of the circle. So that means OS is a radius. So ST equal to the altitude minus radius. That is why we have written that root 3 by 2 a minus 20. Now using Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal to AT square plus OT square. That means 20 square equal to A by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 A minus 20 whole square. After the expansion, A will get cancelled. Then what is the one more A is remaining here. So A equal to 20 root 3. So the distance between the boys is equal to 20 root 3 meter. So we are getting the point here, the centroid point. That means it's a center of the circle idea. We are using centroid also. So here the distance between the boys we are getting as A, that is equal to 20 root 3 meter. With this today's video I am winding up. Thank you.